Need to fix VibeShort app not working? Then you're on the right video. Today I'll be showing you the step-by-step process on how you can easily fix this issue. First thing first, move into Safari and in the address bar, simply search for VibeShort outage. So in this page, if you could find a website where you can see the server of the VibeShort app, then simply move into it. From there, check whether the server of the application is down or not. If the server is down, then all you gotta do is wait for the server to get fixed. After that, move into the App Store on a device. In the address bar, search for VibeShort. Move into this app. Instead of open, if you find the option of update, then tap on update and update the application to the latest version. Once you've got the updated version of the app, now check whether you are connected to stable internet connection or not. If you are not connected to strong Wi-Fi, then you can try using the cellular data as well. After that, you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.